Whether you're cutting bags open or boxes open, this knife could be for you. Hey guys, the good folks over at Arrow gifted me this 3.5-inch pocket knife. It's made of, I got some notes right here, durable 7CR17 steel blade, which is equivalent to a 440 stainless steel with a hardness of HRC 5456. Makes it a pretty good EDC knife. That hardness on it means it's not a hard edge. It will dull over time, but being a softer steel, it's easier to sharpen. So we're going to take a look at it and show you what we got. It says they've been in business since 1929. That's been a minute. There's some paperwork here, little instructions. Ooh, it's a nice feeling knife, guys. Knife, guys? Anyway, got their brand there on both sides, actually. Got a little hanger right there where you could hang that off of something if you needed to. It's got this pocket holder right here. You can slide that down on your pocket. Carry it on the outside if you wanted to, or in the inside and keep it from falling deep in your pocket. This red button right here is to release the blade. You have to push that before you can open the blade. Then you can open the blade right on up. Like I said, it is a 3.5-inch stainless steel blade. Really nice little pocket knife. It's got some good weight to it. Feels like a good quality knife at a low price. That's all the better, right? Especially for just an EDC knife. It's got the little lock blade, and you can just, like a lot of the modern knives now, you just push that over and then it'll close right up. Really, and it won't open. That button right there locks it. So you don't have to worry about it coming open in your pocket. That is a really nice feature right there. I like that. Definitely a thumbs up in my book. I like that. Perfect size too. Fits right in my hand perfectly. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, if you got any kind of value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.